Today we've got something truly exciting to dive into, the much-awaited DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Forget the leaks, we're here to bring you the real deal on this groundbreaking piece of tech. Is the Mini 4 Pro worth the hype? Let's find out. Before we jump into the details, let's kick things off with a side-by-side comparison of the Mini 4 Pro and its predecessor, the Mini 3. It's essential to grasp the evolutionary leap this drone has taken. Unlike the Mini 3, which offered obstacle avoidance in limited directions, the Mini 4 Pro takes it to the next level by providing obstacle sensing in all directions, taking your flight safety to new heights. Weighing in at just 249 grams, it's designed to offer you the ultimate freedom to explore the skies. But what truly makes it stand out is what's packed under its sleek and stylish exterior. Let's start with its exclusive features. At the heart of the Mini 4 Pro is a 48-megapixel CMOS sensor, paired with a brand new image processing platform. This combination delivers breathtaking 4K videos at a silky smooth 60 FPS, complete with HDR support. But what really caught our attention is the ability to capture slow-motion 4K footage at up to 100 FPS. Plus, there's a handy 2x digital zoom, eliminating the need for additional cropping. Safety is paramount when it comes to drones, and the Mini 4 Pro doesn't disappoint. It's the first ultralight DJI drone to offer obstacle sensing in all directions, thanks to its omnidirectional system and APS 5.0. This means you can fly with confidence, knowing that you'll detect obstacles from every angle. If you're a creative enthusiast, you'll appreciate the advanced color profiles the Mini 4 Pro offers, including 10-bit D-Log M and HLG. These options give you more control over your color editing, allowing you to unleash your creativity and capture stunning visuals. Now let's talk about the price side. At $759, including battery and RCN2 controller, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is an affordable package. It's undoubtedly a great investment for anyone who is passionate about capturing breathtaking aerial footage and doesn't want to be hampered by weight restrictions. While the Mini 4 Pro has its strengths, it's essential to acknowledge the competition. One such competitor is the DJI Air 3, which offers an impressive range of features at a lower starting price of $1,099. It's a compelling option if you're looking for a more budget-friendly drone. However, if you're after the latest technology and unparalleled freedom, the Mini 4 stands tall. Do you think it is really a drone worth this price? We will be waiting for your opinions in the comments section. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a drone that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the world of camera drones. Its lightweight design, incredible camera capabilities, advanced safety features, and affordable price point make it a top choice for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. So, if you're ready to elevate your aerial photography and videography game, the Mini 4 Pro might just be your perfect companion. That's a wrap for today's exploration of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth drone reviews, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the skies. And as always, happy flying!